Hello. Today we're going to do a quality check as a demo student in Canvas. So first we're going to go to Student View, and then from here we can know that it's Student View because it's purple at the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and go to Discussions. Here's Discussion 1. This is where we're going to post. So let's go ahead and reply. And there we posted our reply. And now that we're done, we can go ahead and leave Student View. Let's go ahead and go over to Grades. And as this is a graded discussion, we have a little notification there that test student replied. And we can go ahead and submit a grade.